My name's Josiah Herweynen and I'm doing a Bachelor of Engineering here at the University of Tasmania. I'm majoring in power engineering. I do have quite an interest in renewable energies, so it instantly stood out to me. I saw it as a way to increase my knowledge on another big area of renewable energy. The first stage of my work looked at factors that can help us to maximise our power from our solar panels. So as we get more and more solar panels in Hobart, it'll be beneficial for them all to be facing the most optimal direction. So you want your panel to be facing the direction that gets the most of that off-centre sun pattern. Through my project I can help to say what's the best direction to point it, but then also looking at why some solar panels are better than others to buy. The second part of my project looks at more how we can stabilise the power grid and cope with a system that has so many solar panels in it. We use power for almost everything in everyday life, and in Australia most of that power comes from coal power plants. Without thinking, you just use the power, you don't really think about where it's coming from. As an engineer you start looking at those things a lot more, like you work on a project like this and you plug in and you're like, oh yeah, this is 80% odd coming from stuff that's bad for the environment, and that's not great. Everyday life for me has been coming in here and just I'll program in a set of parameters I want it to change between, so I'll get to start it at standard grid conditions and then record the data and then come back in the evening and analyse it. It allowed me to make better judgments on why different results were coming out funny and some were coming out really nicely. A lot of problem solving.